Bernard Samoa's first half goal was enough for Kotoko to get back to the winning ways. Our pre-season friendly games are Eguso El Kosono. Kotoko versus Bibiani Go Stars. 90 minutes of football action. Metema Ukuma Pema Pemba is our lotto. It's our motto. Yemfangucha lotto. Ashe Bibiani Go Stars 1-0. Kind KTC player friend of Bernard Samoa Sapon. 90 minutes of football action. Na efe in a game you Camara Mohammed or done the first official game for Krobia Asante Kotoko. Why record in say we keep it clean sheet. Go and turn at now. None performance to say you be rare game quickly, but before line up our coach Ogum Ede Eshasi and Mamin Sam Famau, Camara Mohammed, Bernard Samoa, Michael Chedramana, Henry Ansu, Patrick Asiedu, Baba Yaya, Samuel Tenedu, Joseph Agbo, Lord Amwa, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Karim, Yakub, and Peter Amidu Aqua. Into a no lineup now, a totally different, not totally, but largely different from lineup against Media Man. Now, game no. Emmanuel entry ebemu in the second half for obvious reasons because not all tested the other end of the players. Enti obeyi Baba Yaya Frim and on changer coach Prosper Ogumnati this particular game and Kotoko winning and only Emmanuel entry change na a course to second half. And apart from that change bia anko so ultimately na coach no or hard bi na wahu Emmanuel entry ba no ball na outstanding players in the game no. As usual, Bernard Samoa de me say Kotoko protecting no ni developing ye. That's one had Kumasa Sante Kotoko Cristiano Ronaldo and I hu ni sa no nimbo pa to me. The man of the match ni goal or share and was some point. It was a corner lord amu a pia ba ye ne koye petre no mo flake man no and a beton anymore. Central mfimfini kakra and o Kelly ball on the left corner of the post and a Koto atena and a ma Kotoko. Inya sa go no. Now Camara keep clean sheet. Nkofo no created some chances it wasn't through deep chances but it was threatening and severe situations no with the countless saves and see somehow we're proving the home we keep clean sheet and or organizing defense no so quite well. In all no yemmo na baso ni yemmo Kumase Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no generally abaso bia de yemo na abaso Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim also okay can hold the forward no but men person stress on him bebre a collective team